If you are someone who is new to this art world and want to fill your sketchbook to learn more, to gain more and to create more, then you are in the right place. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Deepakshi and I create DIY videos with fashion, jewelry, accessories and sometimes cartoon. And you are most welcome in this brand new episode of Art Knowledge where I am going to talk about 10 different ways to fill your sketchbook. So without wasting much time, let's just go and start this video. First idea is to draw from the live photographs. Sometimes you come across certain pictures and you see them and you're like, wow, वो pretty scenery है, ये कितना pretty landscape है या फिर कितनी pretty picture है. So start and try to draw them. Because जब आप उसमें अपने ideas को add करेंगे तो वो picture और pretty बनेगी in an artistic way. So this is the tip number 1. Learn from the photographs and try to draw them. Not exactly, but something similar to them. So this is the tip number 2. Draw sketchy notes, small, and draw a small cute cartoons over there, or your thoughts or your words, and stick it on your sketchbook or page drawings to make it look more attractive. थोड़ा सा unique होगा and it will be easy to fit your sketchbook. Tip number 3 is draw a mindless scribble. Do you remember the time when you were in your classroom and don't know what's going on in the lecture, so you just take your notebook, backside of your notebook and scribble anything you want? You have to do the exact same thing. Or you can also follow a doodle art. You can create and sketch whatever you want to. You don't need any specification or any specific idea to draw. You just need a pen and paper and your thoughts, imagination, what you want to do. So this is the tip number 3. Let's move on to tip number 4. So the tip number 4 is test your idea. See, for example, few days back you thought about something and you thought like, I'm going to make this someday, but you never know when you were going to do that. So this is the time. This is your space. This is your place. Create it. Because you don't have to show it to anyone else. This is for something for yourself and your sketchbook. It is between you and your sketchbook. So you can do whatever, you can test your ideas, create it, and you never know कितना pretty वो निकल के आता है वो idea आपको, उसमें आप कुछ और improvement करके उसको create better बना सकते हैं. This is the tip number 4. Test your ideas and create them and make them up. Tip number 5 is copy other artists. Listen, first of all, I'm not saying copy same to same and put your words. I'm saying learn from them. When I say copy, I mean to say learn from them, because जब आप दूसरे आर्टिस्ट को जो आपसे कई ज़्यादा बेटर काम कर रहे हैं उनको देखेंगे और उनसे सीखेंगे, तब आप अपने थॉट प्रोसेस को और अपने आइडियाज़ को और पॉलिश करके और अपने काम को बेटर कर पाएंगे. तो जो उनकी आर्ट है उसको देखिए, उसको बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए, कॉपी मत कीजिए, उसमें अपने आइडियाज़ को ऐड कीजिए, मतलब उसे क्रिएट कीजिए. So this is another idea of filling up your sketchbook. Try someone else's idea, but don't copy them. Even thank them that they created something really beautiful, and then put it in your sketchbook. So the next tip is try new mediums of art. For example, try new art forms, try new art styles. Don't just bound yourself to the simple drawing or the doodles or the basic drawing. Try new art forms. Even I have shared recently a video about 10 different art styles which you can try. I will mention the link of that video in cards and in the description box. You can try them as well. So do try them, because when you will try new art forms, you will learn so many new things to create in future and you will get new ideas out of it. So this is the tip number 6. Try new art mediums. helps to draw and fill your sketchbook. So the next tip is make your own stickers. Even I love stickers. Even I have a bunch of old stickers. I just collect them from anywhere I go and just love the content or the pictures over there and just buy them. But in this case, I'm not saying go and buy the stickers and paste it on your sketchbook. Instead, do one thing: create your own stickers, create your own ideas, and make a small stickers out of them, and cut them out and paste it on your sketchbook. You can do it with proper theme or without theme, whatever you want to do. But this will going to give a very cute and creative look to your sketchbook. So you can try this one as well. Create your own stickers and stick it on your sketchbook. Remember earlier I have talked about creating drawing out of those photographs. This one is a bit similar yet different from that. You can create film frames but in your own artistic manner. See, there are few film frames which are very pretty. They just look so tremendous, or documentaries or anything in the film format, and take that same thing out on your sketchbook but with your artistic and drawing skills. This will going to be very different from the frame but give the same vibes to you. I feel something like similar to them. Ninth tip is draw any animal in your own style, like giving wings to horse, adding two or four or many hands or legs or to any animal, or put horse as a duck in a pound. Like, you can do your creative work on those animals or any living creature and create something different out of it. So this is the tip number 9. Create any animal or any living thing in your own style, in your own creative way. Last and the most important one is always complete your artwork, because most of us just start your artwork. Even I have faced this problem earlier in my work, that I have used to create something and then pause it for some time in a midway and just never completes that. So if you are sitting and started something to create something new, please, this is my humble request, complete that whole artwork and then move to next one. एक बार आपने रखा कि ठीक है वैसे बाद में बनाता हूँ, ये बनाती हूँ, तो नहीं होने वाला है, मुझसे भी नहीं होता है, क्योंकि उस टाइम आप जिस मेंटल स्टेट में होते हैं आप उस पूरी थॉट प्रोसेस को उस स्केचबुक पर कवर अप कर सकते हैं. बाद में आपके माइंड चेंज हो जाएगा, थॉट्स चेंज हो जाएंगे, आइडियाज चेंज हो जाएंगे, तो वो चीज़ वो नहीं बन पाएगी जो उस टाइम पे बन जाएगी. तो ऑलवेज कंप्लीट योर आर्ट. सो आई जस्ट होप दीज 10 आइडियाज विल गोइंग टू हेल्प यू टू fill up your sketchbook, learn and gain more knowledge about art. And if you like this video, please do share with your artistic friends, family members, and do subscribe to my channel for more creative updates, and don't forget to tell us about your experience in the comment section. So see you until next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.